Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on Senior High School Precalculus. Sa previous video ay inaral natin yung parabolas with vertex at the origin. And in this video, i-derive natin yung formula or yung equation ng parabolas with vertex at HK. No? So any vertex na ngayon. No? But before we do that, gusto kong balikan sandali yung derivation na ginawa natin sa equation ng parabola with vertex at 0, 0. No? So alam natin na yung parabola is a set of points, no? Na pareho yung distance from a point and a line. No? Yung point na yun ay tinatawag natin na focus, while the line is called directrix. No? So, you take any point on the parabola, for example, itong point na to, pag sinukat mo yan, tapos papunta sa focus pareho, yung distance, no? Pag tinake mo yung point P, pareho din yung distance, no? That's why D1 is equal to D2. No? Pag ginamit natin yung X, Y, yung 0A, no? At yung X negative A as coordinates, and inequate natin yung D1 equals D2 using the distance formula, makikita nyo na ang magiging result ay yung x squared equals 4ay. No? So, hindi ko na i-detalye kasi tiniskas na natin yan sa 1.13. No? So, tignan nyo yung SHSPrecalc 1.13. Nandun nakadetalye yung derivation. No? So, gagamitin natin yan, yung diagram na yan para i-derive yung equation ng parabola with vertex at HK. Remember, yung focus natin dito, no, ay it's A units away from the vertex. No? So, ang coordinates ng focus natin ay 0A. No? And since yung directrix is also the same distance doon sa focus, therefore this is also A. So whatever the distance here is also the distance between the vertex and the focus. Yan yung importante na mga konsepto na dapat nyo malaman sa derivation. Suppose we have a parabola with the vertex HK. So wala na siya sa origin. Ito yung origin natin. So this is the origin. This is 0, 0. So yung vertex natin ngayon, HK, meaning yung kanyang x-coordinate ay H at yung y-coordinate niya ay K. So vertex is HK. Okay? Ano ngayon ang coordinates ng focus? Remember, from here, ilang units away from the vertex yung focus? It's A units. So A units siya, tapos A units din siya ang distance niya sa directrix. No? So what's the x-coordinate of F? Pareho lang sila ng V, di ba? Ng x-coordinate kasi naka-align sila ang dalawa. Nasa parehong vertical line sila. Which means ang x-coordinate niya ay H. Pero ang y-coordinate niya, remember yung y-coordinate ng V ay K. So this is K units. Tapos magdadagdag ka ng A dito. No? So meaning the y-coordinate of F is K plus A. No? Kasi from here to here is K. Tapos from here to here is A units. Okay? Liwanag, no? Question, ano ngayon ang equation ng directrix natin? Kung K plus A yung y-coordinate, ang y-coordinate ng directrix natin ay K minus A, di ba? Kasi same distance siya eh. So, pag nag-plus A ka dito, pag pababa naman, magma-minus A ka, di ba? Which means that the equation of this is y equals K minus A. which means that the coordinates of D ay, if this is xy, is x, k, minus a. Yun yung kanyang y coordinate. Alright, so using the distance formula, no, sabi natin, any point on the parabola has the same distance from the focus and the directrix. Okay, so we use the distance formula to get d1 and d2. Okay, so d1 is equal to, naalala nyo yung distance formula, di ba? X sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. D na lang muna tayo for distance formula. Plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. No? Which means that d1 is equal to, ano yung x sub 2? Pwedeng x sub 2 ito, x sub 1 ito. So x minus h squared plus, ano ang y? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, that's y minus k plus a squared. So, yan yung distance ng PF. So, this is actually equal to PF. For D2, pareho yung x natin, di ba? Ang mini-measure natin ay ito from here, yung y. No? So, yung x natin ay pareho. That's x minus x squared plus y minus k minus a squared. So actually this is already 0. Alright? Or since this is may square na siya, pwede mo na actually tanggalin yan. No? May square ka, tapos may square root. So you can remove that already. Anyway, we have D1. D1 is equal to D2. Alam natin yan. So if we square both sides, no, matatanggal na yung square root ng nasa D1, di ba? So magiging x minus h squared plus y minus k plus a squared. Ano ang dito natin? That's, pag tinanggal natin yung square root, we have y minus k minus a squared. Alright? So, pareho natin tinanggal yung square root. Para madali, para hindi kayo mahirapan dito, no? I can do this manually, but para hindi kayo mahirapan, let m be equal to k plus a. Para dalawang letters lang gagamitin natin, and n be equal to k minus a. So magiging this becomes x minus h squared plus y minus m squared equals y minus n squared. So expanding, we have x minus h squared. Hindi muna natin gagalawin yung x minus h squared. Hindi pa naman siya kailangan. So this becomes y squared minus 2my plus m squared. So squaring a binomial lang yan, ha? Magiging y squared minus 2ny plus n squared. Tapos ibalik natin, no? Pwede na ba nating tanggalin tong y squared? If you can subtract y squared from both sides, so mawawala na to. Pwede na natin tanggalin. So this becomes x minus h squared minus 2. Ano ang m natin? Pwede na natin ibalik, no? 2 k plus a and then y plus m squared, k plus a squared equals negative 2. Anong n natin? K minus a, y plus k minus a squared. So x minus h squared minus 2ky, no? So multiply this and then this. So, parang 2y times k lang yan, di ba? Then minus 2ay and then plus k squared plus 2ak plus a squared is equal to, pwede bang sa baba na ako mag-equal, is equal to negative 2k y plus 2ky plus 2ay plus k squared minus 2ak plus a squared. Ano pwede natin i-cancel? Yung minus 2ky, we can add the 2ky to both sides. Mawawala yan. And then we can subtract a squared from both sides. Mawawala rin to. We can subtract k squared from both sides. Mawawala rin yan. Ano na lang matitira? X minus h squared minus 2ay plus 2ak equals 2ay minus 2ak. Okay? So x minus h squared is equal to 2ay plus 2ay minus 2ak minus 2ak. So x minus h squared is equal to 4ay minus 4ak. And this is equal to x minus h squared is equal to 4a times y minus k. So this is the equation of a parabola with vertex at hk. Okay? Gusto nyo bang i-compare ito doon sa equation natin kanina? Sa taas, x squared equals 4ay. Copy natin sa baba. Tignan nyo kung anong itsura. Ano napapansin nyo? Nilagyan lang natin ng minus h yung x, di ba? Tapos yung y, nilagyan natin ng minus k. No? Of course, this is a parabola that opens upward with a is greater than 0. And, kung huhulaan nyo, pag a less than 0 opens downward, yun na yun. Pareho lang siya dito. Di ba? Pag dito, pag nag-open downward siya, a is less than 0. No? And for parabolas that open sideways, no? Babalik rin lang natin yan, di ba? Ang formula or ang equation, di ba? Pag 0, 0, y squared equals 4ax. This is parabola open sideways. And if the vertex is hk, this becomes y minus k squared equals 4 times a times x minus h. So this is the parabola that opens sideways. Okay, so hindi ko na masyadong pahabain, no? We will have more details, no, sa susunod na video kasi masyadong mahaba na itong video na ito. Kung hindi nyo naintindihan, it's okay. Maganda ay tuloy nyo lang yung panonood ninyo, no? And later, pwede nyo balikan yung derivation na to, no? Pag natapos yung several examples. No? That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.